In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to fix battery drain on Android. Okay, so if you're using your Android phone and it's draining really fast and you have to constantly plug in your charger to charge your phone, that's not ideal. So the first step is to open up the settings app on your phone. So I'm going to do that now. Then you'll be on this page, just scroll down a bit till you see the battery and device care option, which is right over here. So tap on that. And then you just want to, what you can do is, I'll show you, is scroll down and then click on software update. Tap on software update and you want to download and install the latest software for your phone. That can help to optimize your battery usage. So do that as the first step. And some basic things that you can do after you've done that to keep your battery in good condition and to last long, as you can see here, it says optimize now. You can tap on optimize. This will optimize your mobile phone. So you can see it detects high battery usage apps, and if it detects any, it will close them. And you can see it closed 6 background apps were actually closed, and virus scanning is also turned off. That virus scanning can use up quite a bit of battery, as well as the background apps that they close could also be using a lot of battery. Okay, so also when you're using apps, and depending on your Android, like if you're using TikTok for an example, if you open up TikTok and you're watching TikTok videos and then you close TikTok just like that, you'll notice that, or any other app, it will still be using battery in the background. Okay, so what you can do is tap it's like a 3 vertical stripes button at the bottom left hand corner, and then you can just close out any unwanted apps that you're not currently using, and this will help to free up some of your battery. But the main thing is to update your software and close any background apps, and you can do that by doing that optimize now process, battery and device care. Go here and you can see now it's great, it was good. So you just want to come back there often and optimize your battery, and then it should last long. And then another thing that you can do to make your battery last a bit longer is you can decrease the brightness of your screen. So something like that will last much longer than, for an example, if it was full brightness. Okay, so those are just some few tips. If this helped you out, drop a like onto this video and I'll see you in the next one.